In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fonts in Canva to give your designs a unique and professional look. Fonts play a huge role in setting the tone and personality of your project, so being able to upload and use your own can make your creation stand out instantly. Whether you're designing a logo, social media post, or presentation, adding custom fonts lets you stay consistent with your brand or simply express your creativity. Let's begin. First, open the Canva project where you want to apply your custom font. Select the text element you'd like to change by clicking directly on it. You'll see a box appear around your text when it's selected. This ensures that any font changes you make will apply only to this particular text box. Go to the toolbar at the top of the Canva interface and click on the font name currently in use. A drop-down menu will appear showing Canva's wide selection of fonts. But since we're focusing on using your own, look for the Upload a Font option, usually located near the top or bottom of that menu. This feature is available only for Canva Pro users, so make sure you're logged into a Pro account. Once you click Upload a Font, a file selection window will open. Locate your custom font file on your computer. It should be in a supported format like .ttf, .otf, or .woff. Select your file and click Open to begin uploading it to Canva. It may take a few seconds depending on your connection, but once the upload finishes, you'll see a confirmation message. Now, return to your design and open the font drop-down again, and you'll find your newly uploaded font displayed at the top under Uploaded Fonts. Click on it, and instantly your selected text will adopt the new font style. You can further customize it by adjusting size, color, spacing, or effects to make it fit perfectly with your design theme. Using custom font not only enhances your visual identity, but also helps you create a cohesive look across all your materials. Whether you're designing for a business, a personal brand, or creative projects, this technique gives you full control over how your message is visually delivered. Remember to experiment with different font combinations. Pairing a decorative custom font with a clean sans serif font often creates a striking contrast. With just a few clicks, Canva allows you to bring your personal or professional style to life. So go ahead and explore the power of custom fonts to make your next design truly one of a kind. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing.